guys, TheHandyTech here. Hey guys, TheHandyTech here. I just wanted to do a quick video today and let you know about some of the projects that I've been working on, and also to say thanks for subscribing and watching my videos so far. I really appreciate it. Anyway, let's go see what I've been working on. So the home improvement continues, and I've turned my attention to the front now, where there's some really overgrown gardens and also a couple of things that I've got to fix up to get it looking right again. One of those things is taking care of this damaged old letterbox, and I'm going to show you how I restored it and made it look heaps better. We've also got to put some weed mat down and fill in the garden beds with some bark. Our dog has a habit of escaping, so I bought this pet safe electric collar that has a sort of radius that goes around the property and stops the dog from going past that radius. So I'll show you how I installed that. The spa pool I bought for the backyard needs a little bit of work, so I've got some footage of that. I've also got some final footage to release about the laundry, and I know you guys have been waiting for that one, so definitely look forward to that. I've been experimenting with an electric go-kart conversion, so the guys that subscribe for my electronics videos, this one is one you'll definitely enjoy. And speaking of electronics, I've got a number of projects on the go. At the moment I'm working on a programmable DC load. And lastly, I've been working on a friend's kitchen, and I'm going to release a series on how I upgraded this kitchen, which is going to include building cabinets, tiling a backsplash, supporting the cupboards against your installation positions, upgrading appliances, and a whole list of other stuff. And in the little more distant future, we're going to be building a house by the beach, so there's going to be a ton of things that I can show you guys and different videos that we can make when we get down there. So definitely subscribe to this channel, and thanks so much for supporting it so far. Leave me a comment below and let me know which video you want to see next.
Oh shit.